Hi everybody, this is Jud Robinett with Dutchman's Astoria. Today we're walking through the 2203 RB. It's our smallest coach in the Astoria segment. So just wanted to point out some of the things we have going on in the Astoria line as well as this unit. Up front here, with being a 24-foot unit, this does still have the king bed. Obviously it gives you a ton of room. On either side of the bed we do have outlets and USBs as well. A new feature to the Astoria line is the blackout roller shades. So all those windows in this unit will have the blackout roller shades, as well as every window in this unit being fully operable. Barrel ceilings throughout in all the Astoria travel trailer line. So tall ceilings for a big guy like me. I'm 6'6", so plenty of room. As we move into the kitchen area, you do have the stainless steel sink, the nice pull down faucet here. Do have a 3-burner range, as well as the microwave with a hood. A ton of storage throughout this unit as well. Solid hardwood doors and drawers, as well as the nice solid hardwood fascia. You'll also notice the LED lights in the fascia as well. It's just a nice little accent you can turn on or off. Another feature in the Astoria segment is travel trailers. You can get the 10 cube all electric 12 volt refrigerator, or you can option the 8 cube gas electric, depending on your preference. Another nice feature about this unit is with the kitchen countertop area being not as big as some other units, we added this flip up countertop extension so you can add some extra room while you're cooking or doing some things in the kitchen. Another nice feature is the outlet, the pop-up outlet back here that has 2 receps and 2 USB ports to charge your phone, coffee pot, wherever you may need in this unit. The cool feature about this unit is there's the chairs lounge love seat combo, but both of these chairs actually do recline. So you do have both full extension recliners here. So give you a ton of room to sit and relax. Like I said, big windows, new style valances we just implemented here at Astoria. All the Astoria units will have a TV and fireplace, as well as a radio with USB connections to hook up your DVD player. More storage above as well. When you walk in the front door here, you do have a nice motion sensored light pantry. You can remove those shelves and just use that coat hanger if you'd like. And then with this not being a very big unit, we're already at the back. So you do have a nice big shower with the glass doors. Obviously some cubby holes here for storage. Nice porcelain toilet, as well as a ton of storage in here as well. Obviously sink and vanity, more storage underneath as well. That's just a little quick run through the 2203 RB. Be sure to check out all of our units on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks.